Most of you may not know this, but XSplit recently had a giveaway in which they were giving away a Logitech Pro gaming keyboard, and we won it. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So I just figured I'd do a really quick unboxing video because this is actually my very first gaming keyboard. So I appreciate XSplit and Logitech for having this giveaway. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Let me just get this right here. Let's see. First off, gonna get this out the way. There you go. Let's see. Cool. It says play to win. Got a couple stickers here on the side. Let's yeah, this isn't easy, but we're gonna get through it. I don't know if there's gotta be a way here. I'm gonna just, oh man, I don't have very big nails here. So, oh, but we got it. That's one side. Ooh, I don't even think we need to do the other side because this one side, I believe, is enough to get the keyboard out. So we're just gonna pull it out here if we can. Oh, let's see. Well, the good news is they put it in here nice and tight, so it's not like someone's gonna steal it from you. Oh, there he goes. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Nice little black box here. Y'all ready? Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that right there. There it is. Underneath the plastic here. Pretty like hefty keyboard here. So obviously you can see the keyboard is wrapped in plastic. Way to go, Logitech, for wrapping it up. Keep it away from kids. And don't put the bag on your head. Don't put the bag on your head for some reason. Why would you want to do that? I don't know, but don't do it. Don't put a bag on the baby either. That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, way to keep us warned there, Logitech. I appreciate that. Pull it out of the bag. Ooh. Bam. There you have it, y'all. Here it is. The Logitech Gaming Keyboard Pro. That is a sleek looking keyboard. Comes with the wire. See the G on there? Logitech Gaming Keyboard. Little plug there as well. See, we can't focus it in there a little bit. Boom, there you go. So there's actually like a connection right back here. You can see it right there where you plug this baby in. So let's plug it in here. Oh my gosh, that is cool. Whoa, check that out. Are you seeing these colors? Look at that. Look at those colors. Whoa, this is some futuristic neon coloring awesomeness right here. Inside the box, Logitech actually like sends you a little sticker, so you can kind of put that wherever you want to put it. If you want to put that on the back of your computer or on your desk or whatever, there you go. This is just another little booklet about what you all should keep doing, which is keep playing. Somebody's playing Fortnite there. I prefer Apex Legends. What's up, Apex Legends? Or Destiny. So play whatever you want to play, but just keep playing. Thanks, Logitech. Thanks, XSplit. And thanks, everybody, for checking out this really quick video of my unboxing. Hope you like it. And we're actually going to be getting a mouse as well, I believe. We also want a mouse, so I'll make another short video when we get the mouse, and we'll see you then.